Spend a little time with me here at Heart Center. Come to Anjali Mudra, prayer position. Breathe love into your heart. Let it fill every cell of your being. Feel your heart expanding. Feel the quietness as you focus on your heart. Look inside and see the internal embrace of love from your heart. Live in gratitude. Feel an immense love for you. Feel an immense love for everything. Feel life nourished in this simple way from your heart. It deeply heals everything. This gift of grace and love from your heart. Feel the source of love that is within you, that is within me. This is the perfect time to embrace your own sacred truth. And spend a few more moments simply allowing this truth to resonate through you. Sharon Rammel thanking you for being here.